I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account and the exact site URL, including HTTP or HTTPS. Once done, pick a verification method. HTML file upload is fastest if you control hosting. Meta tag works for CMS editors. DNS suits domains. Now open Search Console, click Add Property, and enter the exact URL. Make sure to use the right property type. After you select the method, follow the provided verification instructions and do not close the tab until verification completes. Once you start verification, upload the HTML file to your site root or paste the meta tag into the head section. Save and reload verification. If DNS is chosen, add the TXT record at your registrar and wait for propagation, then verify. After verification, connect Google Analytics and enable Search Console linking to share data. Make sure to submit your XML sitemap. This helps Google find pages quickly. Monitor the coverage report to see how many URLs are indexed and what errors appear. Finish by reviewing the coverage and performance reports to confirm pages are indexed and to spot errors. Use URL inspection for problem pages, correct issues like blocked resources or no-index tags, then request indexing. Make sure sitemaps and structured data appear without errors. If verification fails, retry using an alternate method or check DNS propagation. Re-upload the HTML file if necessary. The key troubleshooting tip: verify robots. TXT and remove any accidental no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.